Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, plus we have a glitch list to go over too. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we're going to kick this video off with some really exciting news. We have a Dollar General clearance event happening this weekend starting on January the 29th and running through the 30th. Now normally these clearance events start on Friday and run through Sunday. So we do have one less day to go shopping during this clearance event, but I think this is going to be kind of a good thing because on Saturday we'll have that 5 off $25 coupon and all of the good items will still be there. Alright, so what is going to be included in this clearance event? First of all, we're going to have POG clearance tags, so that is always super exciting. Next, the entire clearance section will be included, plus we have Christmas seasonal items as well. So if there's anyone new to couponing at Dollar General, or if you have never heard of a Dollar General clearance event, boy, you are in for a treat because I have an awesome video for you guys talking about everything that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. And I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also have a Dollar General clearance event playlist that you can also go back and check out previous clearance event hauls, previous clearance event videos, all of that good stuff. That way you can kind of get a feel of what these clearance events are all about. Now, y'all may want to go ahead and hit that little bell and turn on your notifications. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video because, guys, I have an amazing new clearance event video coming up for us. I have a total of 9 pages of new clearance items, so you do not want to miss out, all right? I have been working very hard, and I even went out to my Dollar General stores today. I took a bunch of pictures, and we have so many amazing items in the clearance right now, and I'm going to bet you that you're going to watch this video and you're going to see things that are on clearance that you didn't even realize were being marked down. All right, so you don't want to miss out on that video, and it may even be in a part 2. Normally I get started on these videos and I just kind of get carried away, so it may be a part 1 and a part 2. I just don't know yet. It just depends on how much I can get done in the next couple of days. So make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these good deals and glitches. So first up, we have Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, RC Cola, 7-Up, Sunkist, and A&W 12 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $11. And we still have that DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $10 on Dr. Pepper products. So if you want to pick up 3 of the Dr. Pepper 12 packs at $11, use the 2 off 10 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $9 for 3. Next up, we have a sale on Hefty kitchen or trash bags. These are normally $5.50 each, but this week they're on sale 2 for $10. Next up, we have a sale on the 6-count Viva paper towels. These are on sale this week for $5.50. And we do have an insert coupon that'll go right along with this sale. So pick one up at $5.50. Use the 50-cent off one insert coupon from the 1-9 save insert, and that's going to leave you paying just $5. Keep in mind these are included in that instant savings deal for when you spend $20 on Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex products. You'll instantly save $4 at the register. Alright, next up, we did receive this awesome coupon. It's 2 off 1 for the Cottonelle 18 packs of toilet paper. These are priced at $8.95, so after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $6.95. Now, we also received a 50-cent off one for the True Living bath tissue. This is only 12 count. These are priced at $4.50. After that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $4. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Now, this is on the larger sizes. So if you want to pick up a Downy product, those are priced at $9.95. After that 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $7.95. Now, we also have an instant savings deal on the Downy products this week. So when you purchase 2 of these larger Downy products, you instantly save $2 at the register. So you can pick 2 up at $9.95 each. Use 2 of the 2 off 1. We have a digital coupon, and then we have an insert coupon from the P&G insert. And after that instant savings is applied, that's going to leave you paying $13.90 for 2, making those $6.95 each. Alright, next up, we also received a 1 off 1 for the smaller Downy products. So these are priced at $4.50. After that 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $3.50. Next up, we received a 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. Now, there's a lot that you can choose from with this coupon, but they are all priced at $6.95. So after that coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $4.95. Next up, we received a 2 off 1 for the Snuggle products. Now, this does include the liquid, the scent shakes, or the sheets. These are priced at $4.45. After that 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $2.45. Next up, we received a 3 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent 128 to 150 ounce bottles. These are priced at $8.35. After that 3 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $5.35. Next up, we also received a 2 off 1 for the extra laundry detergent. Now, this is on the 315 ounce bottles. So these are priced at $10.50. After that 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $8.50. Next up, here's an awesome deal on some dish soap this week. We received a 3 off 2 for the Palmolive or Ajax dish liquid. So if you want to pick up the Palmolive 40 ounce bottles, those are priced at $3 each. Pick up 2 of those, use this digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Now, this also works on the Ajax. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Ajax, they are priced at $2.75 each. So picking up 2 is going to put you at $5.50. After that 3 off 2 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $2.50 for 2, making those $1.25 each. All right, next up, this is basically another buy one, get one free digital coupon. This is $2.65 off of 2 of the Fabuloso disinfectant wipes, and those are priced at $2.65. So pick up 2 of those, use this digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $2.65 for 2. Next up, we received 50% off 1 for the Finish dishwasher tablets. So if you want to pick up the Finish Powerball Max in 1, 12, or 14 count, those are priced at $3.25. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $2.75. All right, next up, we received a 1 off 1 for the Rexall melatonin vitamins. So if you want to pick up the 60 count, these are priced at $2.50. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $1.50. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Now, these start out at $6. There's a lot that you can choose from: powders, foundations, concealers, $6. So after that $2 coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just $4. Now, we also received a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eyeliners. So these are priced at $4.50. After that 2 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $2.50. Next up, here's an awesome coupon. We received a 5 off 1 for the Bic Us razors or the refills. So if you want to pick up the razor starter kit or the refills, those are both priced at $9. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just $4. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis shampoos, conditioners, or styling products. These start out at $3 each. So pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $6. After that 3 off 2 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Axe body wash. These are priced at $5, so after that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just $4. All right, so now we're going to get into some Suave deals. So we have a 1 off 1 for the Suave hair care products that are $3 or higher. So you can pick up the Suave Kids Detanglers. These are priced at $4. After that 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $3. Now, there's also a big variety that you can choose from the Suave Professional shampoos or conditioners. These are priced at $3, so after that 1 off 1 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just $2. Now, we also received another digital coupon for Suave products, and this is a 1 off 2. So this digital coupon is working on the Suave body wash 15 ounces. These are priced at $2 each, so pick up 2 of those, use that digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. And I do want to point out that this also works on the Suave Men's 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Those are also $2 each. So after that 1 off 2 digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2. And this 1 off 2 Suave products digital coupon is also working on the Suave 2.6 ounce deodorant. So if you want to pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $4.50. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $3.50 for 2. All right, guys, so now we're about to get into some deals where we are stacking coupons. And I know that several of you all have had some questions about how to stack coupons. What does it mean? What are the rules? All right. So I put together a little short video going over everything that you need to know about stacking coupons at Dollar General. And that video is going to be uploaded and going live directly after this one is. So be on the lookout for that. And I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, the first couple of deals that we're going to go over are Dove deals because we have this awesome DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $7 on Dove products. Now I do want to warn you guys, this coupon does not work on every single Dove product that is at Dollar General. Believe me, I did go into the store and scan and try out a couple of things for us, okay? So it is not attaching to everything, so it's very important that you scan each item that you want to pick up with this coupon before you go up to checkout. Alright guys, so first up we have the Dove body wash, and this is probably the easiest deal that you can do with this 2 off 7 digital coupon. So pick up one of the Dove body washes at $7, use the 2 off 7 DG store coupon plus the $150 off 1 Dove body wash digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.50. Alright guys, so for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Dove Advanced Care Women's Deodorants, 2.6 ounces at $6.10, and then one of the Dove Advanced Care Deodorants from the travel section for $1.50. You're going to use that 2 off 7 DG store coupon plus the $150 off 1 Dove deodorant coupon from the Unilever insert. That's going to leave you paying $4.10 for 2. Alright guys, so for this next deal, you want to pick up a Dove Women's Deodorant 1.6 ounce twin pack. Those are priced at $4.50. And then you want to pick up a Dove Women's Deodorant 1.6 ounce single for $2.85. You're going to use that 2 off 7 DG store coupon plus the 50-cent off 1 Dove Deodorant twin pack digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.85 for 3 deodorants. Alright guys, so for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the 6-count Dove bar soaps. Those are priced at $6.50, and then one of the Dove travel size deodorants for $1.50. You're going to use the 2 off 7 DG store coupon plus the 75-cent off 1 Dove beauty bar digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $5.25 for 2, but keep in mind you are getting 6 Dove bar soaps. Now, here's another way that you can do this deal. You can pick up 2 of the Dove bar soaps 3-count at $4 each. Use that 2 off 7 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2. And here's an awesome deal on the Dove Men Plus Care body washes. These are priced at $5.50 each. So pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $11. You want to use the 2 off 7 DG store coupon and 2 of the 2 off 1 Dove men's coupons from the Unilever insert, and that's going to leave you paying $5 for 2, making those $2.50 each. Alright guys, so next up I have a couple of deals on Tresemme shampoos and conditioners. Now this week at Dollar General we have an instant savings deal of $3 when you purchase 2 Tresemme products. Now we also have 2 insert coupons in the Unilever insert for $4 off of 2 Tresemme products. So it really just depends on which products that you want to pick up and which coupon you want to use, but both of these deals come out pretty much the same. So you want to pick up 2 of the Tresemme shampoos and conditioners at $10. Those are $5 each. That $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register. Use the 4 off 2 Tresemme coupon from the Unilever insert, and that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Alright, next up we have some more awesome deals on Suave products this week. So we do have this DG store coupon for save $1 when you spend $3 on Suave lotions, and we have several different ways that you can use this DG store coupon. So you want to pick up one of these Suave 18-ounce lotions at $3. Use the 1 off 3 DG store coupon plus the 1 off 1 coupon from the Unilever insert, and that's going to leave you paying just $1. Alright guys, next up, there's a typo in this slide. I do apologize, but I was just trying to get this one done so I can move on to the clearance event. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions at $1.95 each. That's going to put you at $3.90. Use the 1 off 3 DG store coupon plus 2 of the 1 off 1 insert coupons from the Unilever insert, and that is going to leave you paying just 90 cents for 2. Okay, so there's your typo. It's 90 cents for 2, not 90 cents for 3. Now, if you've already used your DG store coupon on the Suave lotion, you can still pick up one of these Suave 10-ounce lotions at $1.95. Use that 1 off 1 insert coupon from the Unilever insert, and that's going to leave you paying just 95 cents. Alright guys, so moving on into our glitch list. Now some of you may not consider this a glitch, but I do because it is on the small deodorants, and usually these coupons are not meant for the small deodorants. So if you want to pick up 2 of the 1.2 ounce Suave women's deodorants, they're priced at $1 each. Use that 1 off 2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. And again, there is a typo on this screen, so this slide does say use a 1 off 1, but it is in fact a 1 off 2 like you see on the picture there. Again, I apologize. I was just getting very tired whenever I was putting these slides together. Alright guys, next up we have a $2.50 off one for the Glade plugins. Now this digital coupon is working on the Glade starter kits. That comes with the warmer plus the refill. This is working on the Hawaiian scent. So these are priced at $2.70. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just 20 cents. But a little heads up, this item is included in the clearance event starting on Saturday. So if you find this at your store, I would hold off on picking it up until Saturday, because if you can find it, and use this digital coupon, that is going to mean overage. Alright, and last but not least, we received this awesome 3 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, and this is working on the Colgate Junior toothpaste. These are priced at $1 each, so pick up 2, that's going to put you at $2. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Alright guys, so that's it for our good deals and glitch list video for this week, but don't forget to go and check out my clearance event video. I'm going to leave it linked down in the pinned comment below, as well as my DG clearance event playlist. And again, I do apologize for the typos that were in this video. Guys, I have just been putting in the overtime this week, trying to get these videos out and let y'all know about all of the awesome deals that are going on. Guys, I am just blown away at how many crazy awesome deals that are going on this week. I can't even keep up. But I'm going to try, and I'm going to keep on working, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing community. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.